Hello friends, and welcome back to class.
Yoo-hoo!
In today's class, we will be digging into the world of excavators. Excavators are so cool. Raise your hand if you like excavators. Good job. Excavators are super cool machines that can dig holes, smash buildings, load trucks, help move big and heavy things around job sites all around the world.
That's so cool!
There are so many different types of excavators, from teeny tiny to huge giants. Look at these amazing machines. They can go anywhere, from mountains to the ocean. So cool, right? Now, let's learn about some different parts of an excavator. Let's get started. First, there is the arm, also called the boom. Look at this giant arm. It can reach deep into the ground, go underwater, and reach tall buildings. Wow, that's so cool, right? Next, we have the bucket at the end of the arm. It's like a giant scoop that helps dig into the ground and carry heavy things. Up next is the tracks. They're like the excavator's shoes that help this giant move around so easily. These tracks can drive over anything, even huge rocks. Next is the operator's cap. This is where the excavator operator sits to drive the excavator and control the arm and bucket. Excavators can swap the bucket for many different kinds of attachments to complete different jobs, like demolishing buildings with these giant scissors, cutting trees using these tree shears, grabbing and picking up heavy stuff with this grapple, or breaking really hard things like a rock with this giant hammer.
That's so cool!
Excavators are so cool, they can do just about anything. Well, it was fun learning about excavators with you. We hope you enjoyed this video. See ya in the next one. Bye bye.